But our top story tonight, India and the United States held high-level 2+2 talks in Delhi today. That means the defense and the external affairs ministries were together with their US counterparts, where the two countries signed a deal which gives India access to American satellite imagery. The defense pact was not the only item on the menu. The focus squarely was on China. The US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo hit out at China over their aggression, saying Washington will stand firmly with New Delhi in protecting its sovereignty. The two countries say that they will work together in maintaining peace and security in the region. It is the furthest perhaps the two countries have gone in coming together to take on China. It's our top story today.
An uninhibited display of bonhomie between the world's oldest and largest democracies. India and United States held a high-level 2+2 dialogue between defense and foreign ministries. The major highlight of the meeting was the signing of the Strategic Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement, or BECA, for geospatial cooperation. This would give India access to American satellite imagery and precise locations for use in missile systems and other weapons.
Signing the BECA today, after signing the LEMOA in 2016 and COMCASA in 2018, is a significant achievement in that direction.
What dominated the bilateral meeting was the existing threat of expansionist China. The United States Secretary of State, Mike Pompeo, openly called out the Chinese. He also paid tribute to Indian soldiers who died fighting Chinese troops in Galwan.
The challenge of defeating the pandemic that came from Wuhan also fed into our robust discussions about the Chinese Communist Party. Our leaders and our citizens see with increasing clarity that the CCP is no friend to democracy, the rule of law, transparency, nor to freedom of navigation, the foundation of a free and open and prosperous Indo-Pacific.
The Indo-Pacific region was a particular focus of our talks. We reiterated the importance of peace, stability, and prosperity for all countries in this region. As Raksha Mantri stated, this is possible only by upholding the rules-based international order, ensuring the freedom of navigation in international seas, promoting open connectivity, and respecting the territorial integrity and sovereignty of all states.
China reacted sharply to the statements. Beijing accused Washington of sowing the seeds of discord between China and other countries in the region. India and United States also took on Pakistan for its continuing support to terrorism.
Discussions also covered developments in our neighboring countries. We made clear that cross-border terrorism is completely unacceptable. On Afghanistan, India's stakes in its security and stability are evident, as is our willingness to contribute to international efforts to that end.
The top officials in Donald Trump's administration also called on Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval was also present during the meet.
Strong message from India and the United States of America to China as also to Pakistan. The conversations between the two countries focused on strategic cooperation. BECA was signed, but also more importantly, apart from containing China, India focused on terrorism emanating from Pakistan. With VT journalist Ashwini Helen in New Delhi, Geeta Mohan for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.